So I'm coming back to you with another Dollarama haul. It's been a while since I've done one. Actually, not that long ago. First, I got this little screen repair kit because my cats like to climb the screen. Obviously, when I move, I have to replace the whole thing, but at least this is nice for little patches. Then, since spring is here and I'm gonna clean my stove, it's long overdue. I got some Betty Crocker liners for the burners. I'm gonna try Dollarama kitty litter since I just paid rent, so little budget. So hopefully it won't be that bad. I hope so. And hopefully the girls like it. Actually, it doesn't matter if the girls like it. If I don't like it, I'm getting more. I bought some potting soil as well. I'm gonna get rid of this like real quick because I think it's officially warm enough to start planting. So my seedlings should grow. I got a little pate for Luna because she really is mainly a wet food type of cat, and I'm running low, so I want to see how she does with pates. Because Nova won't eat pates, but these days she's not even trying to eat the gravy ones, like the sauce, you know. Then I got their favorite treat, Temptations. They actually ripped open the last bag, and I was so mad. Deodorant for myself because I'm running low. A little mop bucket, and since it's getting warm and I can't reach my windows, I bought a squeegee that extends so I can clean off those cobwebs that are growing. Sorry, Luna. She just ran. She's like, what is this? And I got this little plastic squeegee type brush, which I hope for the wood floors, it can at least get the litter out of it, because the way my landlord had this floor made, or I guess done, I feel like they weren't construct, because how would I explain it? There's spacing in between each of it, so when I go with my broom, it doesn't take anything, and it's hard to, vacuum it up. And then I also got this little fake rose because I'm working on my Beauty and the Beast cosplay, and I decided I cannot be Belle without carrying around her iconic rose. So I got a rose and a little terrarium. This screws off, so I have yet to decide what color I'm painting the base and the top. And then am I going to try to use fishing wire to make the rose hang, because obviously I'm going to have to cut it, or am I going to glue this bad boy to the bottom and let it hang? That I have yet to decide. Yes, Nova, this is not a flower for you. Why? Okay, so if you have any ideas on how I should make the Beauty and the Beast, I guess, rose, even though there's not much to do, just you know, give me some ideas. I'm open for it. Other than that, uh, I hope you enjoyed this haul. It was a short one, but nonetheless, it's not my usual type of haul because this is more for cleaning, and I have the one random cosplay item that I'm gonna have to paint and put together. Anyway, see you next time. Bye.